So, just leaving Canberra, off to find some black opal. Fingers crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed.
Lightning Ridge, here we come.
Is it even a road trip if you haven't had a sausage roll?
Sprinkled all over you.
Sprinkled all over you. Here we go. Alrighty, 1 hour to Lightning Ridge, and hoping we do not see any kangaroos or emus in front of the car before we arrive. Number 1 driver, fantastic job. Number 1 passenger, just going to say I've done a great job as well.
Welcome to Artesian Bore Baths here in Lightning Ridge. Hot water, obviously thermally heated, coming out of the ground and here for us to enjoy. Just here at the beautiful Artesian Bore Baths at Lightning Ridge, 6:07 AM. And we've got the place all to ourselves, which is amazing. Very popular place, open 24/7. The water is incredibly crystal clear and 41 to 45 degrees on average, which is so smoothing for those aching bones after a long drive or a big day of digging. Get out and enjoy life and enjoy this. Hello, so we're at the walk-in mine in lovely Lightning Ridge on a fantastic first day and heading into the mine on a self-guided tour followed by some fossicking.
What's your noggin, mate?
Going down.
We are indeed.
Hello there. So you go from the sandstone, comes down to opal bearing clay. So this is pretty much where you got to dig down to in any mine, and then this is the bit that should have some opal in it if it's going to be rich. You can see it really good down there. Here, just this layer sandwiched between sandstone. Millionaire move. He fell 1 foot short of cracking the big time. Found Merv's missus. She's a bit of a party girl.
where we're going. Babes, where are we going? So excited.
Grawin Opal Fields, which is about 70 k's out of Lightning Ridge. Seam opal out there, and supposedly the Fossicking is better.
Bring it on, let us find something. Alright, stay tuned.
And a goat depot.
Oh, opal fields and a goat depot.
This is where you get black seam.
Well, that's exciting. More car doors. I love how everything's signed with car doors. Alrighty. This is where we lose the bitumen. I just love the fact that we know we're heading in the right direction, and I said opal fields.
Another car door. There you go. Glengarry Hilton. In the road.
So,
local arts, crafts at Sweeney's Cottage, Glengarry Hilton, and the Sheepyard and War Memorial and Pub are this way.
let's go Sheepyard. Where do you want to go? The Glengarry first. Maybe the Sheepyard and then off to Glengarry for a beer.
Sure.
Sheepyard Inn. Come and get fly blowing at the Sheepyard Inn.
There you go.
We'd only initially planned to stop for a
Couple of secs.
Ended up there an hour and a half. Just yapping and chatting with the locals. Had guidance from the locals to come up about 400 odd metres up this way. We should have an area where we can fossick without being on somebody's turf.
Can you see, babe?
There's green, yellow, red, purple. I literally cannot believe a fucking cannot believe the yellow and the red in there because it's like deep in there. It's so cool.
Cool.
Oh my god, oh my god. That is a pearl of a piece.
Hello you. Lucky last.
Lucky last of all the sheep crossing. These we had goats, emus, and today's sheep. What else? Actually haven't seen any kangaroos, have we? Quite not.
Only a dead one.
So we've had sheep, goats, emus. Good morning. Come on. Oh no, it's gonna go first. Okay, sweetie. Okay. So we've been here a couple of minutes and yeah, this one's got, oh, I don't know if you can tell, blue and green. So literally just in my little pile, just got my water bottle, my little tool, and yeah, pretty exciting. Look at that. I don't know how much of it sort of seems to vein through it, so likely just a bit of a keepsake rock with a bit of opal. Oh my lordy, that's exciting.
Just came out of the opal cave, and they've said that the big piece we found yesterday is
a great chunk.
Great chunk, sunflash opal. Got to take it down to another place that cuts and polishes and just see what they think. Here we are in Lightning Ridge with Tom and Tanya at Down to Earth Opals. They've picked up this lovely honey/crystal opal out at the Sheepyard's opal fields at the Grawin. So it's got what we call side flash, and the side flash basically gives you these lovely shards of colour as you turn the stone in natural sunlight. We're going to take a bit of a gamble here, and we are going to take it into the cutting room, put it on the lapidary wheel and take some of this clay off the top, or the dome as we would call it, and we're going to try and see if we can improve the stone. So we're at sort of it's the 50-50 decision, and
we're happy with that.
They're happy with that, and we've decided it's 51% guaranteed that it's going to improve and 49% risk. So 51-49 are pretty good odds as far as we're concerned. So let's head into the cutting room. So we have water on our grinder, and the reason for that is we want to cool the opal. Otherwise, obviously, as we're grinding away, the opal's going to heat up and then it could shatter. The other thing it does is it takes the waste down the drain. We don't want to contaminate across our wheels. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it onto this wheel and see if we can take some of this clay off and just see, basically, we just see what we can see in the top here. So let's give it a go. What I'm going to do is keep it as much in its natural shape as I can, because that way it is still a nice specimen piece. You know, you don't want to try and turn this into a cut stone, because that's just too perfect. It doesn't want to be that perfect. Just exposing a little bit more of the opal here, just so that you can get to see that nice flash of colour. Oh wow.
that frostiness, so we just take the scratches out. So when we talk about cut and polish, what that means is shape and take the scratches out. Once the scratches have been taken out, if you look after this opal in 100 years time, it will be just as good as the day that we finished it. So I'll do a little bit of work on this for you. So my thought is, you've got little natural fractures there where it's sort of the way it was sort of knocked out. This has been hit with a pick, and I'm going to leave them because at the moment they're actually quite shiny. They've got a natural shine, just like broken glass. But I'll now go to the next level where we're just going to start to take the more obvious fractures out of here. So we move from this guy to the next wheel. Stones like this, it just takes time. I'm somewhat reasonably confident that we've got a good result.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, you ready? Well, that has really that has ended really terrifically. You know, because we've got that lovely flash. You can see it in the dome now.
Oh yes, yeah.
You've still got the side flash coming out the top there. Especially when you just get it out of the light. See it now?
I can see the green just from here.
Yeah.
So again, opal will behave differently in different lights, but also sometimes taking it out of the direct light. From time to time, some opal will actually behave better.
Yeah.
So some love the direct sunlight or direct light, and others just like a subdued light. Can you see a red there coming through?
Is it
You lean over a bit.
like a pinpoint of it?
Well, it's like a little crescent. There's a little crescent of red just coming out at an angle.
Orange last night.
Yeah,
You've just got to get, it's on the dome. You probably have to lift the camera up.
Yeah.
Camera's not quite. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that is, yeah.
There you
go, a little bit of red.
There it is, yeah.
There you go.
Amazing.
Red's the money colour.
And purple in that one
Look
shot.
at that. It's a rainbow.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Well done. Congratulations.
Oh, thank
That's-
you.
You guys did.
Lightning Ridge. How'd you find it, babes?
Awesome.
This is where we stayed. The Chasing Opal holiday cabins. And that is where our little warm and fuzzy
Was created.
was created. Alrighty, let's go.